Hello, my name is Drake Harwell. I'm at the city of Tallahassee. With this last storm that just came through, we've had hundreds of broke poles, and I'm going to go into depth on how we replace these poles and how we get everybody back in good lights. So first here, you can see this pole is broke off. All the wire and material is still on there, which we have to undo and get the wire free and clear. We have to dig another hole, set the new pole, frame it out on the ground, and transfer all the wire back onto the new pole. One of the hardest parts about this job is tracing these wires throughout all this tree debris right here, getting it all out in the clear and stringing it back up onto the old existing poles, which you can see right there on your far right. It's hard to give you guys a time frame on how long it takes for pole replacement. Every situation is just a little bit different, sometimes more severe, but we want you guys to know we're trying our best to get the power back on in the city of Tallahassee.